Good evening. This is SJM Enterprises, a presentation on SS General Surgery OT table. This is totally manual, made out of SS 304 material. On top is also covered by Hylam sheet, over and above, covered with mattress. So the basic minimum height is 24 inches. If it goes up, it reaches up to 38 to 40 inches. This is totally crank based manual. Except maintenance of cranks, there is nothing to invest and keep maintaining the cot. This is also provided with gynae cut. This will be supplied with one IV rod and two lithotomy rods also. Overall length will be about 75 to 76 inches. Now we will see the function of this cot. First of all, this is it, minimum stress. My colleague Mr. Naushad is operating the OT table. So now height is being increased by crank screw. Now this has gone up to 38 inches. Slightly it will be, height will be reduced. Slightly height will be reduced. And now he is going to do the Trendelenburg. This is being reverse Trendelenburg. Yes. And now going for Trendelenburg. Now once again it is getting back to the normal stage. Now again it is getting to the normal height. The headrest is also adjustable for the required height. This has been given 3 stages. This is the maximum and second stage and the normal stage. Normal stage means this is almost flat level to the base top. and at the leg side ratchet also can be just fixed like this by supporting one ratchet here base. Thank you.